Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video we're going to be looking at these. These are, well, one of them's really new, the other one is like kind of new, but they are two new eye wands from Vieve. So we have the rose one, which, if you can't tell from my face, I was desperate to get this and couldn't get it. Well, it's not I couldn't get it, I just didn't want to just order this one thing. So basically this is the eye wand to go with, and it was released in a collection. I'm pretty sure I have all the rosea things now. To go with, where are you? All of the rosea stuff. So it's the same tone as all of the rosea stuff. So that is it there. And just brand spanking new, we have lilac. So that is lilac there. So I figured we would try these today. The lilac one is lighter, so we'll maybe do it, and then I can maybe put rose over the top, or we can take it off and put it on or something like that. So what I really like about this is you could use it as an eyeliner, like a inner waterline eyeliner. Just a heads up, any of the eye wands, use them in your waterline because they dry down and they will stay there forever. So that is it in the inner waterline, and they're not sharp in any way, so when you put them on it doesn't hurt your eyes or anything like that. So when I saw like an advert for this, I seen that Jamie just put it like on by itself. You could use it as a base and do other things, but it looked really nice just kind of on its own. These are really easy to work with. So there we go. I'm just going to put it on like that. What I really like to do is, so I like these. This is the Concealing Prime. I think it's clean anyway. And it's just a really nice size. And it gets you a really nice finish. And I just sort of pat and drag. It really is lilac as well. So that is like that. This actually goes with the rosea blush, but it's fine. So yeah, if you wanted to just use it as a base, you could just use it as a base. I think it was just sort of released on its own. So that shows you the difference there. I just took the eye wand and blended out the edge rather than like going it all over. So if I want to, I can pop more of that one on, just to bring it up to the same sort of pigment level. So that is the lilac one. And instead of like taking it off and putting it back on, this one should cover it because it is light enough. Rose is nice. So I'll do one and then we can see. They actually even look really nice together. And I was wearing rosea the other day, so I'll be able to see if like having the purple underneath has changed the colour at all. I actually think having both colours there is really nice. Pink just sort of, or the rose one just sort of deepens it down enough that when it's on the bottom it still looks really nice. So that's rosea. So you can see they're both sort of very similar in the fact that they're not crazy dark or anything like that. They both blend really nicely. It's actually mixed a little bit, and rosea is just a little bit lighter. You can see there. So yes, that is the lilac and that is the rosea. I really like the rosea. Lilac, I think, will be something that I add into looks. Maybe not wear on its own because I'm not really a massive purple fan. See how simple it is? Like literally I just draw it on any bits that I need to just sort of fill in gaps, I just pat. And to blend it out, I literally just like pat and press. Pat and press, is that what I'm trying to say? So that is the 2 new eye wands from Vieve. And that is pretty much it. I'm not going to waste more of your time or take up any more of your time. I'll put on the screen how much they cost. I'll put a link in the description box on how to get them. Obviously, it's not an affiliate link because it is Vieve, although I would love for them to sponsor me. And just as a little added extra, they released the other jumpers. These ones, don't mind me, it's probably got my dinner on it, but this is the, is it they call it the varsity ones or something like that? These, I don't know if they're limited edition or anything like that, but I got a hold of mine, and I will say they're shorter than the other ones that you can get, and so are the sleeves. I don't know if you can see that. So the sleeves are a bit shorter. So I think I got a medium. If you wanted it to be like proper oversized, I would say get like a size up. They are big, you know, like kind of tent big, but they're not very long. So especially if you have like a long torso, I would say maybe size up. But yeah, no, really nice. Like I do like it. I decided to opt for the cream one, but yeah, so a little bit of extra. So obviously they don't have like anything that's like the purple. That's like the lilac one. You could get a lilac eyeshadow and do this, but actually no, I won't do that one. Obviously, if you have hooded eyes like me, they don't crease, but they do stay a little bit tacky. So see, when you're blinking, you can feel that they're there. If you take Rosea, the blush, and go over it, that is what difference it makes. So just intensifies it a little bit. If you have an eyeshadow that matches the lilac one, you could do exactly the same. But obviously, if you've got the Rosea blush, I would definitely say put the eye wand on and then put the blush on top, because look how much nicer it makes. Well, it doesn't make it look nicer, it just makes it look a wee bit more impactful. So yeah, obviously if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Bye!